Hello, I'm going to introduce you to Freedom Path and the very latest technology in credit building for consumers. Credit scores are simply a tool to gain leverage, and they can either help or hinder someone's financial success. Credit scores determine a lot more than the loans people get and the interest rates that they pay. Insurers use credit scores to set premiums for auto and homeowners insurance. Landlords use them to decide who gets to rent a home or an apartment, and they determine who gets the best cell phone plans and how much of a deposit is required for utilities. It seems that when someone has a low credit score, it's very, very hard for them to get ahead. In fact, more than half, 53% of all Americans have been rejected for a credit card, loan, or car due to poor credit, according to ScoreSense. The problem for most Americans is they can't use their credit to gain leverage. Why? Because about 68 million Americans have a sub 600 credit score. Welcome to Freedom Path. Freedom Path is making waves with the latest technology and taking the financial arena by storm. We are an all-in-one financial wellness platform designed by leading experts in the financial services industry. Kevin Carroll, our founder and CEO, has built several successful ventures which inspired him to start Freedom Path and our movement. There's over 10 years of financial services industry experience with Freedom Path. We offer services designed to improve clients' financial well-being. We're a debt-free company, and we've got an extremely experienced management team. Freedom Path is the latest in the evolution of building credit scores. You can now have your hands on the latest technology that will help consumers improve their credit scores within weeks versus months. You can help people directly, but you can also get this technology into the hands of people like real estate agents and brokers, mortgage companies, car dealerships, and more. And they can monitor their prospects' progress, and turndowns can become buyers in as little as 60 days. Now I'm going to introduce you to the Freedom Path technology platform.
In this short video, I will give you a high-level overview of the tools, services, features, and benefits that Freedom Path membership has to offer. Starting with the home dashboard. This dashboard gives each member a high-level overview of their journey to financial freedom, including their full 3B scores, live alerts, and access to a private members community that allows them to interact with other users and credit experts in real time, providing them a support system and place to go to ask questions, get answers, and share feedback with each other. The member experience is broken down into 3 main sections: Score Path, Wealth Path, and Life Path. Within Score Path, the first service available is 3-bureau credit monitoring. This service provides each user with full 3-bureau credit reports and scores, along with other tools like Score Simulator, which provides them an understanding of how taking certain actions, such as purchasing a home or opening a credit card, may affect their score. Alerts, which gives them live-time credit alerts, such as new inquiries or loans being reported, and Score Factors, which tells them exactly what is on their credit that is helping or hurting them, and what it is specifically they need to improve. Next, under the Credit Restoration tab, each user has access to a proprietary do-it-yourself credit restoration tool that allows the user to easily identify what negative items are being displayed on their credit reports and submit direct disputes to the credit bureaus, all with a few clicks of the mouse. This intuitive tool automatically displays what negative items are reflecting, allows the user to easily select the item for dispute, and although the user can manually choose the reason for dispute, offers up the best suggested dispute reason to them. All they need to do is click Process Dispute on each item. It's that simple. Once this is done, they can either print the letters and mail them to the bureaus, or use our auto mail feature, which will mail them on their behalf. Next, under the Credit Building tab, this service allows users to instantly increase their credit score by having rent and utilities, such as power, cable, and light bills, reported to the bureaus. Although the service is very simple and minimalistic, it can have a huge impact on improving their credit score based on bills they are already paying. Lastly, under the Credit Protection tab, each member has access to our dark web monitoring and identity protection tool. This service allows the user to enter their address, email, phone number, medical ID, social security number, driver's license, passport, credit and debit cards, and bank accounts for instant dark web monitoring and protection. In this digital day and age, users are shocked in how many places their information is being shared on the dark web. This tool offers them live alerts and protection, including a $1 million insurance policy to cover them in event of the unexpected identity theft. The next main section of the user experience is WealthPath. The first service you'll see here is Wealth Budgeting. This interactive tool allows each member to connect their bank accounts and credit cards directly to the platform, which will import transactions daily to create custom spending and budgeting. Understanding spending habits and creating an accountable budget is crucial to financial well-being. Next, under the Wealth Building tab, the bill negotiation tool allows users to submit their current bills to be negotiated and lowered, on average, saving them roughly 30% annually on each bill. This service alone can be beneficial at saving the member hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per year. Moving on to the Wealth Monitoring tab. This feature allows users to track their total outstanding debt as being reported to each bureau, as well as calculate their total debt to income ratio. Understanding your total debt and overall debt to income is crucial in building credit and bettering your chances for loan approval. Lastly, under the Wealth Planning tab, each user has access to hundreds of financial calculators. Almost any financial situation a person would need to plan for, such as a mortgage, auto loan, student loan, 401k, and many more, are accessible through this feature. Understanding your situation, improving it, and planning for the future is the key to financial wellness. The final section of the user experience is LifePath. The first service you'll see here is travel planning. This interactive tool is a complete travel booking and savings platform that allows you to book your travel at savings up to 20% above what you may be able to find online. Next, under the Local Savings tab, this tool allows you to enter your location and what corresponding places you may be shopping at to instantly receive coupons and savings with just one click of the mouse. Lastly, the Life Insurance tab allows each member to obtain a quote and purchase life insurance directly through our platform, helping them better protect their family and the strong financial future they are building. One of the final benefits and most important benefits is education. Through our partnership with John Alzheimer, a former FICO and Equifax executive, we are constantly releasing new educational content relating to credit and financial well-being. We believe education is not only important, but necessary in truly helping people having a better understanding of their financial situation and helping them craft the best options to improve it. So now that you've seen the amazing tools, services, features, and benefits that FreedomPath has to offer, what are you waiting for? Reach out to the advisor that introduced you to get started today.
So you've just seen the platform that each FreedomPath member is going to receive so that they can start building their credit score instantly. They can start disputing derogatory items instantly, where disputing derogatory items used to take weeks. Now it takes minutes. And it's easy to enroll members. It's $179 to start and just $79 a month. And it's as simple as giving somebody a link to your personalized FreedomPath website. Once they're enrolled, they can click on the login button and immediately have access to the FreedomPath dashboard that you just saw in that video. And of course, you're going to earn commissions when you sign up what we call personal memberships. In other words, people that you sign up directly. You'll get $75 on each membership enrollment. So if you wanted to work part-time, enrolling just 3 customers a week, you'd earn an extra $900 a month. 10 customers a week would be $3,000 a month. And then there's direct residual income as well. So for every FreedomPath membership that you have already enrolled, every time they make their monthly payment, you get $10 for that monthly payment. So if you've got 5 enrollments times $10 a month, that's $50 a month extra. 10 people, 10 memberships enrolled that you enrolled personally, that's $100, 20, $200, and it's monthly, right? So it keeps compounding and can grow rapidly. Now, enrolling advisors, that's another option that you have. And that's a way that you can grow your business. So when you enroll an advisor, of course, that advisor goes out and enrolls members themselves, and they earn $75, just like you do when you enroll members. But you also earn income when your advisor enrolls their members. You earn $25 for every membership your advisor enrolls or your team of advisors enrolls. $25 every single time one of your advisors enrolls a new member. And then as an example, so 10 memberships a month, say you have maybe 10 advisors that are doing this part-time, and they just get one member a month. That's $25 times 10 to you, $250. Maybe you have more advisors, or you've got people that are more than just part-time, and your team of advisors is enrolling 100 memberships a month. That's $2,500 to you. Of course, 200 would be double that, $5,000 a month. But let's think a little bit bigger. What if instead of individual advisors, which is fantastic, you go out and you talk to real estate companies or possibly real estate agents, mortgage brokers, mortgage companies, car dealerships, maybe car salespeople, or people that are in the tax business, insurance business. There's a lot of industries that could fall into this category. And the reason being is because, like in real estate, mortgage, and automobile especially, they have a lot of what is called turn downs every single month. Now I'm going to give you an example of a car dealership. According to Barron's, 9% of all car loan applications are rejected. People walk into a car dealership, they want to buy a car, they apply for the loan, and they are rejected. An average size dealership can have 600 or more applications a month. That's 54 turn downs a month at that dealership. Now, what if a dealership turns only 50% of those turn downs, or 27 people, into Freedom Path members on a monthly basis? And what if they could convert, because of the Freedom Path membership and technology and platform that their prospects are now using, they could turn those turn downs, 15 of them, into car sales. That's going to be over $500,000 in business coming into that dealership every single month that they don't currently have now. And of course, again, they're going to receive $75 for each person that they sign up, and $10 a month every time that person makes their $79 payment. But what's in it for you? You signed up the dealership, of course, you're going to earn $25 for each customer that they enroll. And again, going back to this example with the car dealership, 27 memberships a month times $25, that's $675 a month for you. They're doing the work. They're enrolling the customer, but because you brought in that dealership, that real estate office, that mortgage office, or possibly real estate agent, right, you're getting that $675 a month. What if you had 10 like that? What if you had 20 dealerships, real estate offices, mortgage offices, tax offices, etc.? It turns into a very lucrative full-time business for those that want to go out and talk to people in these industries. And we have promotional rank advancement bonuses as well. So you can see that as you bring in members, your team, like as a senior advisor, 25 members, you get a $250 bonus, all the way up to executive advisor, 600 memberships in your organization, in your business, you get a bonus of $2,500, all the way up to what we call Crown Advisor. At 25,000 memberships, you get a $25,000 bonus. We actually have 8 ways that you get paid. We've talked about direct commissions and residual commissions, team commissions. There's also team residuals. Again, those one-time rank bonuses that I just showed you. There's level overrides, generational bonuses, and profit sharing. And if you want to understand the details of all the ways that we get paid, you can reach out to the advisor that showed you this video. Freedom Path provides a complete turnkey business. You don't have to build a website. The company gives you a personalized advisor website. They've got professional marketing materials. They've got live agent and customer support. You don't have to worry about providing that for your customers. They have an online business office, meaning a back end where you can go in and you can see all your memberships. You can see all your advisors and the volume that they're doing, so you can operate and run your business through your online business office. We get paid weekly every single Friday. Again, commissions and bonuses we talked about. There's rewards such as trips and other types of rewards as well. And we provide extensive training and support. And we keep this business simple. So what you'll be doing is you're simply referring others and helping them to enroll in the Freedom Path membership. And then you're using the tools that the company provides, including this video, to introduce others to the opportunity. Now, what Freedom Path is going to be doing is they're going to handle all the technology, all the paperwork, all the customer support, and much, much more. As far as training and development is concerned, there's live agent support provided, video training, conference call training, webinar training. There's going to be live local trainings and regional training events throughout the country as well. So to start your own business with Freedom Path, become a Freedom Path advisor. It's $99 to start, plus some tax and shipping for the business kit. So it's about $115 depending on where you live in the United States. And that's to start. And then your ongoing overhead for your business is just $9 a month. $9 a month to run your business. So if you just wanted to start this part-time, $9 a month. If you want this to be a full-time career and earn hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, again, $9 a month. So if you like what you've seen in this video, just click below to get started. Or if you'd like to talk about it, you've got some questions, you can schedule a phone appointment by clicking the icon below. We look forward to talking with you soon.